sunrise.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Beautiful, huh?
Yeah. Oh, look at all these fish. Hey, little
So
fish.
cool.
Oh, that's not cool. Dude, there's like 25 of them.
So awesome.
Oh, goodness.
We are approaching
Kailua Bay.
Kailua Bay. I always forget the name Kailua. I always forget it. Kimberly's been the skipper all day today. She's been keeping us on course. She's been doing all the driving, watching the chart plotter. She's doing a great job.
Thank you, sir.
Super fast passage.
You're
How
welcome.
far have we gone?
12.1 nautical miles.
12.1 nautical miles. In how long?
2 hours and 40 minutes.
Been making great time. We left so early just because we were worried about bashing into the winds and the currents and the seas. I was dreading this little stretch after our last bash. It's been nice. It's been chill.
Yeah, so nice.
So, yeah, very easy morning so far. And we'll have the hook down in no time.
Well, good morning.
I think we need to drive past this orange tree.
Okay. Well, good morning, friends. Oh, it's these people we're swimming with. It's illegal. They had their two swim.
Oh!
They had their two
Pink belly.
swimmers. Oh. Oh, pink belly. Hi. Oh, good morning. Oh.
That's that saddle shape you were talking about, right?
The saddle is on the spotted. Yeah. It's like a cape or a saddle, however.
Oh, that line doesn't look straight.
Well, it won't be like, think straight comparatively. Hello. Oh, hi there, fella. Good morning.
It's done.
Oh, beautiful. Hi. Good morning.
Must be one of the resting days.
Oh. Yeah, this is one of the resting days.
Oh.
Oh, oh yeah. Oh, there's a spotted dolphin in with them. There's 2 species in here.
Okay.
That's
see,
what you saw.
I
That's what you saw. That's 2 species.
Yeah.
Holy moly.
That's exactly what I
Oh,
saw.
that's cool. I wish
That
I...
is funny because I was like, wow, it really looked like a saddle.
Oh, I wish I could launch my drone right now. Good morning again. Hello.
Oh yeah, so that looks real straight, right?
Yeah, now you can see the
that one
difference.
is
Yeah, you're
definitely-
right. You're so right. Yeah, good eye. Yeah, there's 2 spotteds with them right there. That's awesome. So it's cool to see the spotted with the spinner.
I know, right?
Look at this. see his little rostrum poking out?
Yeah. It's funny when they do that. It's nice they're just chilling with us.
Yeah. Hi. Oh, we got some mating.
Is that what's happening?
Yeah, naughty.
Oh,
Good
shoot.
girl. Well, hello.
Oh,
Yeah,
dolphin.
girl.
Only
Oh.
fans.
Hi, good morning.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, I see that pink belly. Oh, wow, that was a little voyeuristic.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
The spot is right here.
We got anchored here at Kailua-Kona. Well, we dropped the hook first in a beautiful spot within rowing distance of the dinghy dock. I think we're in like 35 feet of water, sand, and then a boat came charging out and told us we were right in the middle of what was going to be, they had a permit for the entire anchorage for a canoe race on Saturday. This is Thursday. I even asked, I was like, oh, cool, can we move this afternoon? He was like, absolutely not, you need to move now, you're right in our way. So, we got hauled up and moved a mile south past the mooring field. Now we're in 50 feet of water, 200 feet of chain out. Yeah, about to go into town and have a look around. Got some supplies picked up. Kimberly got her provisions for the week.
Thank you, James.
Got it knocked out. She leaves the boat tomorrow to start a research project. We'll talk about more later. Kailua-Kona. I couldn't remember the name again. So,
Give it to me.
it's Kimberly's last night on board. What an adventure.
Yeah, that was awesome.
And Kimberly, I don't know, did you get the job before you were on board or you found out why? Yeah. So Kimberly got hired to be one of the tender captains for National Geographic and Lindblad expeditions.
Yeah.
And she is heading to Alaska at the end of this month to go on some adventures.
Yeah.
Where are you going? Sitka?
Sitka, Juneau, and then Ketchikan.
Cool. And she'll be taking people from the boat. They do kind of like legit adventure cruise boat, so it's a very small sort of cruise boat with limited people, and then they take people out and do wild stuff.
Yeah.
But it's National Geographic paired up with this company that does all the boat handling, right? Lindblad Expeditions.
Yeah.
So that's very exciting. She's also going to be, you're going to be doing naturalist position in the future, right?
I will either do their naturalist position, or they have a like an under the sea program where you're like under the sea naturalist. So you do diving. You're like the diving expeditions, right
Awesome.
finned woman.
Right. So that is awesome. Super stoked. But like right now, tomorrow you start working with Cascadia again, which you've worked with them for many years.
Yeah.
She's got, yeah, so she's doing that project this next week, and then she's off to Alaska. Very, very exciting. So what was your favorite part of this? This was, okay, this was you've sailed inter-island before.
Yeah.
But this was your first time short-handed sailing, and your first time crossing the LA Nui Haha.
Yeah.
So, what did you think?
Well, let me be honest with you. It was awesome.
Yeah, you were stoked on the LA Nui Haha, and it was pretty wet. It wasn't
it was
wasn't gnarly or anything, but it was a very wet, sloppy sail for sure. But you were stoked the whole day.
It was funny. The whole day was funny. Yeah, I thought it was awesome. My favorite part was to see how fast the boat was going, and then all the different noises that the boat makes through the water. And then my favorite anchorage was that La Perouse Bay because of the on Maui because of that Castle Grayskull and the Secret Lagoons.
Secret Lagoon we went to, which was fantastic, super cool. And yeah, La Perouse Bay was my favorite of the last like 10 days as well.
Yeah.
And then I really like Nishimura a lot as well.
Yeah, that place was cool. That was so beautiful too.
But yeah, we've had how many anchorages did we knock out since you came on
6.
board? You came on board at Mala Wharf,
Mala.
so Mala Wharf,
McGregor Bay.
McGregor Landing.
Oh, McGregor Landing.
We tried Molokini, didn't work out.
Yeah.
We went to
We tried Big Beach, didn't work out.
yeah, but we went to La Perouse Bay.
That's Maui.
And then Nishimura on the Big Island, and Kauai High,
Yeah.
and then Makalawena, and now here at Kailua-Kona.
That's 7. Lucky number 7.
That's right.
I always say.
Awesome. Yeah. And you'll be meeting up with me around the world.
Yeah.
She'll be joining me in different spots when she's between research projects, and we'll be linking up, hitting adventures all over the place. So you guys will see more of Kimberly. But thank you.
Thank you, James.
It was nice getting to adventure with somebody. It's so much more fun. Well, like today we had so many spinner dolphins.
Dude, we had so many, and with some sexy time.
Yeah, we saw dolphins having sexy time today, and
was your first time, which was
that
neat.
was my first time to see dolphins having sex. Obviously not yours, because you knew it was happening right away. So yeah, but what I was gonna say is like, getting to see dolphins is like, oh my god, but it's better when there's somebody you can turn to and be like, can you believe how cool this is?
Yeah.
I love it. So
thanks for having your last Hawaii adventures, inviting me around.
yeah, bro.
Nice.
Look at that. #1 adventure buddy. Oh, look at that.
that.
#1 Hawaii adventure buddy. And I look forward to seeing everything Kimberly does in Alaska and beyond. And you're gonna try to get back to Africa this year, but you
If
don't know.
I don't know. It just depends on my schedule.
Yeah. So, and also make sure you check out Kimberly's channel. She has some of her adventures from Africa. She just got back from Africa. A couple weeks ago.
Yeah, just a couple weeks, like 3 weeks
Yeah.
ago.
So she got very sick with malaria and tick-bite fever.
Yeah, tick-bite fever is the worst, way worse than
Malaria.
Yeah.
Yeah, she was very, very, very ill, and but you walked it off.
That's how I roll.
That's how she rolls.
They don't call me Kimberly.
So check out her channel and see her adventures, and then hopefully she'll be posting more little snippets of what she's doing in the other places when she can.
Yeah.
So
Not as good
all
as
right. Now it's sunset. We already had a burger, so now we're gonna have some tea and chill out. High five.
Nice. You gonna do
There's that.
It's his hat.
If you enjoy the content on this channel and would like to contribute, you can consider joining the Patreon crew. Thanks for watching. Fair winds until next time.